As far as as far as finance is concerned, you'll never have enough. You always need more, and that's what we had asked for. We asked for more, but we know that realistically, that Ministry of Finance will draw its own conclusions and give us what they believe should be given. But whatever we're given, we'll be thankful for that. But at the moment, what we're focusing on is improving the services that are available at all our missions overseas. That's where most of our budget allocation goes towards. Um, in some of the missions, like in London, that's a lot of renovation works is being done on the Chancery, as well as Brussels, which we had hoped to open by the end of this year. That needs to be refurbished and then reopened as well. There were plans to reopen Seoul in South Korea. So that probably be put on the back burner for the time being, and maybe that'll go towards the next financial year, maybe. But as far as the lion's share of the budget that is going to be allocated to us, most of it will be going towards for the foreign missions, our overseas missions, and especially in capital works. In the I think Sydney as well needs a lot of work done on it. Not Sydney, Canberra. Sorry, Canberra needs a lot of work done on it. So with those works done and out of the way, then we'll look at some of the other needs of some of the other foreign missions. Like in Belgium, once we get it up and running, all the logistics that goes with it, vehicles and the residences for our officials who are going to go there, and that applies to all of the other missions as well.